अभी नवंबर 23 में इनका डाइवोर्स भी हो चुका है, पर दे आर रेडी टू कंप्लाई विद द ऑर्डर्स। पर अब डाइवोर्स हो गया सर, अब एक कमरे में देना है, तो इनकी समस्या है कि वहां अब एक पड़ता नहीं लड़ाई झगड़ा, तो दे आर रेडी फॉर द अल्टरनेट एकोमोडेशन और द रेंट। तो मैं एक रिप्लाई दे देता, 2-3 दिन का टाइम दे दीजिए, फिर उसको सुन लीजिए, बस इतने मेरे पे।
What you say?
No, my lord. After 4 years, they are ready to compliance the order, my lord. It's already 4 years passed, my lord, and I have filed another documents today. I have that he is entering my office also and harassing me, instigate his counsel to complain against me, and many right to information letters are there.
What he is doing?
My lord, his counsel, advocate Suman Thakur, was filing false complaint against me, and on that time she was not at all an advocate also, and she is appearing in my case and as a Nyay Mitra. And then on August, then I filed the complaint. He write that मैं तो केवल उनकी वो हूँ, काउंसिल हूँ उनके हस्बैंड की. Then he write that she is a counsel of my husband. And before that, she is after this filing this contempt, my lord, she is regularly filing a complaint in my office, my lord, that I am harassing that lady by instigating by the respondent number 1, my lord, and filing a right to information also, and he himself appearing on 6th July 2023 to give a statement on that complaint, my lord.
That issue may be a different issue. How can you attach it with the contempt?
My lord, there is a order that he should not enter in my office and not interfere in my office premises, my lord. There is another contempt made out, my lord. I am not talking about that for that, but now they are taking time and regularly he is harassing me on my office, and he is threatening my son also that अगर वो हमारे premises में घुसेगी ना तो मेरे भाई और बहन जो है ना बहुत खतरनाक है, उसको वहां रहने नहीं देंगे. He is talking like this type. He is threatening my son also, my lord.
If he says so, तो वहीं पे करेंगे.
Yes, my lord.
If he says so, he is throwing a challenge to the order of the court, तो वहीं पे करेंगे. Let them be put under arrest. See that the order is complete.
नहीं, ये जो बोल रहे हैं,
order is passed on 2020 and my divorce was on this November 2023, my lord.
नहीं कर सकते. We will ensure that she is lodged there only.
नहीं.
What you were saying may be correct, sir. That's a logical. It's okay. There will be daily quarrel, this, that. It's okay. But then if you throw a challenge, we will ensure that she is put there only. And the person who are objecting, they should be put behind the bars.
वो सही ऐसा कुछ किया नहीं सर. नहीं, उसने कुछ नहीं किया है.
अब भी पास कर देते हैं ऑर्डर.
अभी कुछ नहीं किया सर, कुछ नहीं किया उसने.
I have filed, my lord, I have filed that all the documents.
इसको भी तो सुनवाई का मौका मिलना चाहिए हमारा. इसको कुछ नहीं किया है.
No, without that.
4 years से
contempt what the document here, I can pass an order on that. Are you ready to argue on charge?
सर मुझे 2 दिन का टाइम, मैं अजी 2 दिन परसों लगा दीजिए, मेरा कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. कि आ जाएगा कि जब when the order was passed, the marriage was subsistence. अब 3 साल बाद डाइवोर्स हो चुका है, और उसके अलावा मैंने उसके अलावा अल्टरनेट एकोमोडेशन के लिए तैयार है वो, और या रेंट जो होगा वो रेंट भी दे देंगे रीजनेबल.
सर अभी हम कंप्लायंस नहीं करवा पा रहे हैं सर, डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस का
कंप्लायंस है.
फिर उनका जब रेंट का एग्जीक्यूशन कैसे करवाएंगे सर? ओनली 3000 रुपीज वो मेंटेनेंस दे रहे हैं, उसको कंप्लायंस के लिए मैंने पसीने छूट जा रहे हैं सर. मैंने 12 मंथ के बाद मैं उनका 125(3) में जाके उनका कंप्लायंस में ले रही हूँ. वो भी मेरा बेटा अभी लॉ पढ़ रहा है सर, उसको मेरे को पढ़ाना है इस वजह से. कंटिन्यूअस ही इज हैरेसिंग विथ हिज मैंने काउंसिल कम गर्लफ्रेंड और एनी मैंने
कर दिया. फ्राइडे कर दीजिए, मैं एडिशनल रिप्लाई फाइल कर देता हूँ. मैं कोई डिले नहीं चाहता.
Where have you seen any accommodation somewhere else? It's practically that will be. Will you be able to stay there?
My lord, they are given 1 BHK, my lord. They are offering me 1 BHK, and that premises is a 3000 square feet first floor. if they give me a land, racket land also I can build up for that, my lord. But they are offering rent, my lord. And how can I taken the rent? Then again after 3 months or 4 months for execution for rent ये my lord. मुझे बार बार वो लगाना पड़ेगा कि रेंट दीजिए साहब, रेंट दीजिए साहब. मैं कैसे करूंगी इसमें my lord? मैंने 4 years में तो मैं हाई कोर्ट की कंप्लायंस नहीं करवा पाई my lord. 4 years, it's already completed 4 years my lord.
ठीक है.
21/1/2020 में ये ऑर्डर पास हुआ है my lord. मैंने इट्स ऑलरेडी पास्ट 4 years. उसको मैंने हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर को मैं कंप्लायंस नहीं करवा पाई. Mr. Counsel said that they are offering 1 BHK rental house for me. Then how can I take the rental charge from that respondents?
Ask your client to stay somewhere in rented house. Let her
Exactly.
Sir, they are already staying in the rented house. चर्च के इसमें रहते
No,
हैं.
my lord. No, my lord.
इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मेरे को आप 2 दिन का टाइम दे दीजिए. मैं सब चीज, ये तो चर्च के रेंटेड हाउस में चर्च के रह रहे हैं, तो खुद का नहीं है.
Again, that's
मिशन क्या है वो?
same,
हाँ.
my lord.
इसीलिए मैं सिर्फ
आप
2
एक
दिन का
कमिश्नर
टाइम
वो बना दीजिए, या तो फिर उनको
एवरीथिंग
investigation
ऑन द
करवा
कार्ड.
दीजिए, सर.
ये लोग खुद चर्च के इसमें किराए से रह रहे हैं.
No, my lord.
ये ठीक है.
What are the evidence that they are entering into your premises?
No, directly I have no evidence, my lord, because on that committee meeting, there is no written minutes.
The one is about the household, the other restraint order is about the
Premises in the office, my lord.
office. Yes. Anything?
My lord, I have filed today, my lord, that the council of respondent number 1 has continuously filing a complaint against me on my office. मल्लिका बल द्वारा परेशान किए जाने बाबत. That is page number 3. Then again, that is on 23rd February 2023, after filing this complaint, my lord, contempt. Then again she filed 15th March 2023. मल्लिका बल पति शैलेश जैकब द्वारा अत्यंत क्रूरता पूर्वक.
Who is she? Who is she?
She is the counsel of respondent number 1 in our family court, my lord. Then, and on that time,
How the council can do this?
मुझे बताइए फिर.
no, my lord, and on that time, she is not at all a counsel and not at all an advocate, because she get a provisional certificate on 15 March 23.
Forget it.
Ah.
What is her entity?
मिनट.
What is her entity? क्या नाम बता?
Advocate Suman Thakur.
Who is she?
मैं आज ही अपियर हुआ हूँ. मैं इसे सब पूछ लेता हूँ. मुझे इसीलिए 2 दिन का मैं टाइम चाह रहा हूँ सर. मैं बोलो फाइडली चाह रहा हूँ. तुम्हारे सीनियर के
जय शर्मा
इनके सीनियर कोई जय शर्मा है, उनकी जूनियर ऐसे बोल रहे हैं.
को अपॉइंट किया, उसको नहीं जानते.
अच्छा, इनको नहीं जानते, इसको जानते भी नहीं है.
जय शर्मा
तो लेट हर बी पार्टी, उनके खिलाफ भी कंटेम्प्ट ड्रॉ कर देता. If she is abetting, if she is disturbing this, she will answer it whether he has instructed. ठीक है, क्या नाम बता?
Advocate Suman Thakur.
By this order of this court on 21/1/2020. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. She appears on behalf of.
उसको जवाब देने के
The
टाइम.
case was fixed for argument before charge today. She appeared and sought for time. The applicant who is in person would submit that the order has not been complied till date, and the respondents were also directed not to. Create any violence or aiding or abetting in entering the place of employment of the applicant for such process, but the non-applicant, what is his name? Shailesh Jacob. Shailesh Jacob. 2. 1. Suman Thakur is making the complaint and different applications are being moved. Which amounts to
आज ही पेश की, हमको कुछ मिला नहीं है।
वो तो जानते नहीं है ना, वो आएंगे बताएंगे, उनको पार्टी बना देते हैं। ही डजंट नो, वो लिखा है ना अभी, वो तो जानते ही नहीं, बोले हमने इंस्ट्रक्शन ही नहीं दी। तो भाई उन्हीं से बुला के पूछते हैं इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया।
सर मैंने
आपको देने की जरूरत भी नहीं है प्रैक्टिकल।
ठीक है।
लिखे which are awaiting causing harassment to the petitioner. Is Shailesh Jacob next. Shailesh Jacob, and she refers to certain document filed before this court. Shailesh Jacob, who is in person before this court, would submit. He has not instructed any Suman Thakur to move certain application. Therefore, prima facie it appears that if certain, in absence of any such instruction to thus the instruction to Suman Thakur, how the abatement is caused, it is the Suman Thakur would be the best person to answer. Therefore, a notice be issued to Suman Thakur. कहाँ पे रहते हैं ये? कहाँ एड्रेस वगैरह कहाँ है?
सर ये सब करारी मस्तूरी।
Suman Thakur, resident of village Kirari, Tahsil Thana Masturi. Show cause as to why she not be made a party as a contemner. To abet the order of this court, to disobey this order of this court dated 21/1/2020 in criminal division number 594 of 2014. Notice be issued. A process. Notice be issued.
My lord,
And think over that alternate. That will something.
Not for
something.
rental, my lord.
Huh?
Not for rental, my lord. How can I?
I understand that. Then they will deposit some corpus somewhere. We'll ensure that.
Yes, my lord.
We will ensure that that part is secured for some time. So far that is not complied, at least for this time. You have to deposit some corpus here somewhere. List it on. Think over that. Instead of daily tension, think over that. Both, it is for the both.
But they are offering 1 BHK, my lord.